Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on the screen right now, you are seeing the triple under in slow motion, and you're going to see some other advanced triple under variations. And then I'll speak to you right after that and make a connection between some butterfly footage. Hey everyone, so those were advanced triple under variations. I jumped up once and the rope made 3 rotations under my feet. Some of the moves included a crisscross or an uncross. One of them was the southpaw triple under variation. And I was jumping rope the other day, and as I was walking home, I saw this butterfly on a rock, and I thought it was beautiful, so I recorded it in slow motion. And then I made a connection between the butterfly and advanced jump rope moves. So when I do those jump rope moves, I might be spinning the rope slowly, doing basic moves, and then just before I go into an advanced move, there is an explosion of the feet. I really push the feet into the ground to propel myself off the ground. And I also spin the rope much faster. So I could be spinning the rope slowly, and just before doing an advanced move, I spin the rope rapidly, and I explode off the ground by pushing my toes and balls of my feet into the ground. And that's what I noticed with this butterfly. Just before it was about to push off the ground, it started spinning or moving its wings more rapidly, and then it spread its wings entirely open. And then it exploded or pushed off the ground before flying away. So when the butterfly was just relaxing, its wings were moving more slowly. And then just in the moments before it was about to take off, it started spinning its wings a bit faster. And then as you saw there, it opened them completely, pushed off the ground.